Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply wallpaper in Wallpaper Engine. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up Wallpaper Engine. You can do that from Steam, or you can come and go ahead and click on the launcher here using your shortcut on your desktop. Then I want you to just look for a wallpaper that you want to apply. Let's say I want to apply this one, the Dino Run. So I'll just go ahead and click on this, and then what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down here until you see this section, and I want you to click on apply to all wallpapers. I want you to do that, and then I want you to go ahead and just keep these toggled on, then click here on OK. Make sure update all wallpapers and default settings is toggled on, and then I'll just come here and just click on OK. Now if I just come to my desktop, you should see we have this wallpaper and it is fully functional, and that is how to apply wallpaper in Wallpaper Engine. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.